Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I turned my Snowman slash Leprechaun Tier Tray into one for Easter. You knew it was going to happen. You just knew I was going to make a bunny rabbit for this tray, didn't you? And yes, again, I used baby food jars. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree are these felt stickers in the shape of the carrot. You'll also need a microfiber cloth found in the automotive section. You'll need one of these plastic headbands of the bunny ears and baby food jars. The first thing I did was I cut up the headband so that I was just left with the two ear portions. Next, I cut a piece of microfiber cloth. And then I used a scrap of microfiber cloth to just build up the nose portion and glued that onto the baby food jar. And then with that piece of microfiber cloth that I had cut out, I covered up my baby food jar. The lid is going to be on the bottom. And then I just wrapped it up nice and hot glued it. Then I took two scraps and I covered up the ears with some more microfiber. So here you can see just how I did that. The reverse side's not going to look all that pretty, but if it's in a tier tray against your wall, it doesn't matter. Otherwise, you could just glue more neatly, I guess. And just secure it onto the top of your bunny head. And here you can see once it was covered how the nose section is out a little bit. So glue both ears onto your baby food jar. And then we're going to start making his face. I took a pom-pom, a pink pom-pom, and I cut it and I added it for a nose, some embroidery floss for his mouth, and some fishing line for his whiskers. And I also added some googly eyes. Then I took some shrinky dinks and I cut two little rectangles, melted them, and I created two little rabbit buck teeth. I just think that just really makes my bunny. Once the little teeth were glued on, I added one of the felt carrots just so that it looked like he was nibbling on the carrot. I did take the sticker off the back and I'm saving that with the other ones I took off the previous project. He's so cute. Then I thought his ears needed a little bit of pink, so I took the other bunny headbands that I had used the peeps from, and I took the felt off the headband. One I took off inside out and one right side in, but I decided to just cut from the one that was the right way and cut two ear centers from it. And I cut them at the same time so that they were the same shape. And then I glued them onto my bunny's face. And then I decided he really needed to be taller. So I took a second smaller baby food jar and I wrapped that one as well. But I only wrapped the sides of it, not the top or the bottom, because I'm going to be gluing my head to the, body portion. And then I added a pill bottle cap to the bottom because to stand on the tray it has to cover the bolt. And this is what my tray looks like. I can't wait to start filling it up with Easter goodies, but first I better start making them. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.